You are the one who draws, not the tool. So the first thing is to choose a handy tool which can simplify your workflow. CADReader Editor. This course is for someone who wants to edit or modify CAD drawings easily. CADReader Editor compatible with Mac and Windows. It's a lightweight software, means you can install and start it up quickly. At the start screen, you can open CAD files that you already work in or create a new one. Let's open a file. Just need a few seconds. It's faster. Now let's start editing. We can copy elements of the current drawing. Or copy elements from other drawings to improve efficiency. For land surveyors, this function can be used to overlay structural drawings with surveyor plot plan to quickly determine the coordinates. As we can see, the operation is very simple. Next time we will learn how to move and rotate elements.